Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to tell about moment generating function of geometric distribution. Okay, so moment generating function is denoted by what? Mx of t. So mx of t equals to expectation of e power tx. Okay, so expectation of x can be written as summation x into p of x. Okay, so this also I am writing in the form of this formula. So summation e power tx, in place of x we are having e power tx into p of x. Okay, so we are doing here geometric distribution, so here we have to use geometric distribution limits. So geometric distribution limits are from 0 to infinity. Okay, so summation x equals to 0 to infinity e power tx into p of x, in the sense we have to write the formula of geometric distribution. So the formula of geometric distribution is q power x into p. Okay, so now what we have to do is, this p is not having x limits, so we have to write this p in front of summation. Okay, so p summation x equals to 0 to infinity, these both terms we have to write as single term. So q into e power t whole power x. So like this we can write. Now we have to remove this summation and we have to apply the limits. So p into q e power t whole power 0 plus q into e power t whole power 1 plus q into e power t whole square plus q into e power t whole cube plus and so on. Okay, so that equals to p into x power 0. This is in the form of x power 0. X power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, plus q into e power t whole power 1 plus q into e power t whole square plus q into e power t whole cube plus and so on. Okay, so if we think this is x, q into e power t is x, so this can be changed as 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. Okay, so this is the formula, this is the expansion of 1 minus x to the power of minus 1. Okay, so this is the expansion of 1 minus x to the power of minus 1. Okay, so now what we have to do is, we have to compare these both. So here 1 is there, 1 x square x cube. Okay, so we have to write this whole term in this format. So mx of t equals to, now what we can write here, p is there, p into 1 minus x, in the sense what, q into e power t whole power minus 1. Okay, so this can also be written as p by 1 minus q into e power t, or else you can leave like this. Okay, so now what we have to do is, now we have to calculate mean and variance. Okay, so mean of geometric distribution using moment generating function. Okay, calculating mean of moment generating function. Okay, geometric distribution using moment generating function. So mean is denoted by what? Mu1 dash. So mu1 dash equals to what? D by dt of mx of t, where t equals to 0. Okay, so now what we have to do is, here we have to write the formula of mx of t. So d by dt of p into 1 minus q e power t whole power minus 1. We can use any formula. Okay, na? So I am using this one, where t equals to 0. So this p is not having t limit, so I am taking this one outside. So p into d by dt of 1 minus q e power t whole power minus 1, where t equals to 0. Okay, so it is in the form of x power minus 1. So p into derivation of x power n is nothing but minus 1 into 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus 1 again minus 1 into here minus q into e power t. Okay, so where t equals to 0. Again we have to do this one now, differentiation with respect to t we are doing. So the coefficient of e power t is minus q. So minus q into again for e power t, e power t. Okay, so now we have to substitute in place of t 0. So p into minus 1 into 1 minus q into e power 0 whole power minus 2 into minus q into e power 0. So that equals to p into minus plus. So q into 1 minus q. Here e power 0 is 1. Here also e power 0 is 1. So 1 minus q whole power 2. So pq by 1 minus q square we can write. Okay, so this one pq by, here we can write what? P square we can write, since p plus q equals to 1. Okay, so p equals to what? 1 minus q. So that's why in place of 1 minus q, I have written p. Here square is in a square. So p get cancelled. So mu 1 dash equals to q by p. Okay, now we have to calculate what? Variance. So variance is denoted by mu 2. So that equals to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. Okay, so we have calculated mu 1 dash, but we did not calculate mu 2 dash. Now we will calculate mu 2 dash. So mu 2 dash equals to, here what we have, what is the formula? D square by dt square, mx of t equals to mx of t, where t equals to what? 0. So this one we can write in the form of d by dt of, again d by dt of mx of t, where t equals to 0. Okay, so d by dt of, here we did this differentiation, here we did no, before substituting t value, this is the derivation part. Okay, so we can write here. So here minus plus no. So pq into e power t into 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus 2. Okay, or else you can do differentiation, nothing happens. Okay, in order to save the time, I'm keeping this value. Okay. So now what we have to do is PQ we have to write outside because it is not having any t values. So PQ into e power t, PQ into d by dt of e power t into 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus 2, where t equals to 0. Okay, so PQ into, this is in the form of u v. Okay, u v. So this is u, this is v. So u v differentiation is u dash v plus u v dash. So first we'll do u dash. U dash in the sense e power t. Okay, e power t, e power t. Again we have to write this v, same. 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus 2 plus, now we have to do u, we have to write like that only. We have to do v dash. Okay, v dash in the sense what? Minus 2 into 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus 2 minus 1, again minus q into e power t. Okay, where t equals to 0. Now we have to substitute t value. pq into e power 0 into 1 minus q into e power z whole power minus 2 plus e power 0 into minus plus. So 2q into e power 0, 1 minus q into e power 0 whole power minus 3. Okay, so pq into e power 0 is 1. 1 minus q into e power 0 is 1. So 1 minus q whole power minus 2 plus e power 0 is 1. 2q into e power 0 is 1. So that is 2q into 1 minus q into e power 0 is 1. So 1 minus q whole power minus 3. Okay. That equals to, here 1 minus q in the sense what we can write, pq into p power minus 2 plus 2q into p power minus 3. Okay, so this we can make LCM, I think so. Okay, once we'll say. So PQ into 1 by P square we can write plus 2Q by PQ we can write. Okay, so here LCM is PQ. So here P plus 2Q. Okay, so here what we can write, PQ by PQ into P plus 2 into 1 minus P we can write. So that equals to P get cancelled. So Q by P square into P plus 2 minus 2P. Okay, so that equals to Q by P square. P minus 2P is nothing but what we can write here, P minus P plus 2. Okay, so in the sense what is the value of this one, mu2 dash value, what is the value of mu2 dash? So mu2 dash equals to Q by P square into 2 minus P. Okay, so this is the answer, mu2 dash value. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to find out variance. So variance formula is mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. So mu2 dash in the sense what, Q by P square into 2 minus P minus Q by P, here Q by P whole square. So that equals to 2Q minus PQ by P square minus Q square by P square. So that equals to, here LCM is P square. So that equals to 2Q minus PQ minus Q square. So what we can make here common, Q we can make common. So 2 minus P minus Q by P square. So that equals to Q into 2 of minus, if we take common, P plus Q, okay, by P square. So that equals to, here what we can do, Q into 2 minus 1. P plus Q is nothing but 1, no? So 2 minus 1 by P square. So that equals to mu2 value is Q by P square is the mu2 value. Okay, so I think everybody understood this derivation part. So if anybody are watching my video for the first time, if you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends, and also don't forget to give like. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.